If you've always wanted to be a pop star, achieve kind of stardom effects or have that stardom status without actually having the stardom, this is the best video for you. Now you can see the the original image uploaded, and then we can see the video created using this kind of effect called the idol effects. Now to create this idol effects for yourself, all you have to do is go to this website called higgsfield.ai/apps, or you can just leave the apps for now. Just go to higgsfield.ai. Once you're on the page, sign up, or yes, sign up on for a free account. Then scroll and choose the app section in this area. Then click on the idol effect. You'll be brought to this particular page where you have to upload your image here. So you can click on this area or section. Then the box for you to upload your image would pop up, and then you can select the image you want to upload. So once you've selected that, you can scroll down and choose the video or image. But since we want a video similar to what we have got here, all we have to do is to click on this video effect, and then it says it costs about 15 credits for creation, meaning that if you sign up with Higgsfield, you can actually create this video for free. So once you're done, click on generate video. Then after a few minutes, your video would be completely rendered and you can download your effects here. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to our channel, and